In the previous tutorial, I showed you how to create this featured articles menu item type that displays multiple Joomla articles on one Joomla page. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to get rid of those additional details that are published with each article and show you how to adjust the layout of the featured articles page. We'll return to the back end of the site and we'll open up our menu manager to start. The menu item we created is on our main menu. So let's open up our main menu and then open up the Art Classes menu item, the featured article menu item. We'll click on the Options tab to see a list of all the publishing options available for each article in the featured article menu item. You can see that each of these options is currently using the global setting, and I'll show you how to make these changes globally in just a moment. For now, under Show Category though, let's select Hide. And we'll go ahead and save this menu item and we'll return to the front end of the site. Underneath each article title, currently you see the Art Classes category listed, but when we refresh the page that will disappear because we turned that setting to hide. But that's only a setting for this one menu item. If we want to make that change globally, we'll have to return to the back end of the Joomla site, and first we'll save and close this menu item. Then we'll want to open up our article manager by going to Content and Article Manager. This won't be done in individual articles. Instead, we'll find the Options button on the far right hand side of the article manager, and here underneath the Articles tab we can see a list of all of those features, all of the things that appear within an article once it's published on the front end. Take a close look at these features and determine what you want to show and hide. I want to show my title, so I'll leave that, but I'm going to click on No or Hide for just about everything else. If I scroll down, you can see that there are even more things being displayed in our articles, and I'm going to click on Hide for publish date and navigation. I'm going to leave Read More to show. That's a useful feature at times, but I'm going to click on Hide for everything else. Once I do, I'll return to the top of this page and I'll click on Save in the toolbar. Let's go ahead and return to the front end of the site now and refresh the page, and we'll see all of those extra details disappear. We can also adjust the layout. Instead of having one leading article with two articles down below in two columns, we'll return to the back end of the site and we'll click on the Blog or Featured Layouts tab. Here I want to have 0 leading articles. I want to have 3 intro articles in 3 columns with 0 links. And you do have to play around with these numbers to get the look you're after. I'll click on Save here. We'll return to the front end of the site again and refresh the page. You can see that we now have our 3 articles in 3 even columns. In the next tutorial, I want to show you how to add another module to the site. We'll talk about menu modules.